Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on your JBL Tune 110BT. And to do this we'll need to turn on our headphones, so look on the right big thingy on the cable and you should see this button right here. Hold it for a few seconds until it powers on. You can see it by the LED lamp right here. Now they should automatically enter the pairing mode. It's this blue blinking right here. It indicates that it's in a pairing mode. But if you have something like a static blue light, that means they are connected to some other devices. And to actually enter pairing mode, we'll need to turn them off. Now turn them on and hold the button for at least 10 seconds, and then they should disconnect from the other device and enter the pairing mode instead. Now you can move on to your smartphone or iPhone or basically any device with a Bluetooth and try to connect them. They should be at the bottom in available devices. Click on it and now they're connected. Now just to show you that it works, let's turn them off. Turn them on again. So they automatically connect to my phone now. Now let's try the method that I told you about. So we're gonna turn them on and hold the button for 10 seconds. And as you can see, it's in a blinking, and that means it's in a pairing mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.